Carbondale, Marion, Heron, Murphysboro, Cartersville, Johnston City, Zyva, DeSoto, Craneville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Elkville, Hearst, Ava, Willisville, Dowell, Campbell Hill, Vergennes, and Freeman Spurs. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 55 and 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We've gone to
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch
This
number for 8 hours.
was our third alert that we've
until
got today.
midnight
That was the
Saturday.
third one, but I don't know
This
why
watch includes the following counties
he didn't go off
in
for that
Illinois,
one.
Perry and Randolph, and the following counties.
That was weird. Okay, hold on. Let me go look outside. That was very weird. That was... It's...